What's going on, Team Lethal fans? Joe with Lethal Performance here, and today I have the all-new AFE Momentum GT air intake system for the 2020 and up Explorer ST. What I'm going to be doing here is taking it out of the box, showing you up close what's going on with it, and just running you down the benefits of it, the options, and why you want it in your truck. Kit on Christmas with this. All right, now that we have the air kit all out of the box and onto the table here, we can clearly see what pieces we have. I've also taken all the hardware out of the bag so that we can check those in, but it's definitely important to want to make sure that you have everything needed for the install, as there are a few different pieces to it, so you want to make sure that you have everything before you try to install it on the truck. I've got a little list here, and depending on what kit you have, you should have right around 19 pieces total if you count everything as a single piece. So let's go ahead and do that right now. I've got our 2 oiled air filters here if you have your dries. I also have the tries here per example. So I also have 2 of the filters here. I have 1 of the driver side tubes. I have 1 of the passenger side tubes. I've got 1 housing, of course. I've got 3 of these larger clamps here. And I've got 1 of the smaller clamps here. I've got 1 SAE fitting, smaller SAE fitting, and I have another larger SAE fitting. I have a vacuum hose fitting here. I've got 1 of these grommets here. I've also got a fitting for the air temperature sensor. I've also got 2 silicone couplings here to hook up these tubes to the stock tubing on the car, the stock charge pipes on the car. You'll notice that 1 of them is slightly reduced. You want to take note of that there for further installation. I've got the CCV vacuum fitting here, along with the grommet that goes along with that to help it seal on the tube there. And then I also have a little cable tie here with a ribbed mount here so that it can hold firmly where you place it on the vehicle. Now, whether you go with the oiled filter or the dry filter, both are going to provide a big difference over your OEM performance. Take a look at this graph here that AFE has provided on just the overall differences between your stock, your gray filter, and then your blue oiled filter. Your blue material filter is going to allow air to travel at 375 cubic feet per minute, or CFM for short, whereas the dry filter is going to allow air to flow at 355 cubic feet per minute. Now, your stock is going to be a lot less, looking at 295 cubic feet per minute. Now, of course, if you upgrade it with a drop-in filter, it's going to raise it ever so slightly, but overall, the filter material is a whole game changer when it comes to these air intake systems. AFE states that a stock truck will make 15 wheel horsepower and 17 wheel pound-foot of torque just with this air intake system. Although, we're going to take a look at the dyno sheet here that AFE has presented to show you where it makes that horsepower at, which I think is probably the most impressive out of any intake system I've ever seen on a vehicle. Now that we have the dyno chart pulled up here, you can clearly see that the AFE intake is going to outperform the stock intake here just about as much as they said it was, right around 15 wheel horsepower and 17 pound-foot of torque. But I think even more important here is towards the end, right around the red line here, you can clearly see that the AFE is a lot more consistent in keeping that horsepower as well as the torque number than your stock intake is going to be. Another note here is that in the very beginning of the pull, the AFE is identical to the stock intake up until right around that 4,000, 4,500 range where it starts making more power. Now, this is a huge note because on a lot of aftermarket intakes, you tend to lose a little bit of low-end power and a little bit of low-end torque, but usually gain that back in the top end. Although here with AFE on the Explorer, you can clearly see that it actually retains the same amount horsepower as a stock one would, and I think that's a huge note with this intake here and a big reason why you definitely are going to want this for your truck. Now, if you're just as excited as I am to get one of these on your truck, don't worry, we have you covered. We've got them in stock, ready to ship here at lethalperformance.com. Click the link in the description below to get yours going today. This has been Joe with Lethal Performance, and we're going to go slap this on ours right now. Und more couplers, und more couplers, und more couplers. Wow! It popped out there like a bag of chips. Yeah, we'll do that.